Determine the Fourier series representation for the full rectified sine wave shown below and also plot the spectrum. So this is the given signal. So first I am going to express the signal in terms of mathematical representation, that is given, that is sine of pi t, hence it is x of t equal to sine of pi t. So nothing but it is the one cycle. So we can say that this is present for the duration. The value of t lies between 0 to 1. So this is the mathematical representation of the given signal. So first calculate how much period is there. So this is t. So the fundamental period of this one is t equal to 1, and calculate the angular frequency. So we are calculating the angular frequency by using the formula omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by t. So t equal to 1. So let us substitute 2 pi divided by 1. Hence, angular frequency omega naught equal to 2 pi we got. So this is our angular frequency, and it is period of the signal. Now, next is we have to find the Fourier series coefficient. So for that, I will write the formula for that. X of k is equal to 1 by t integration over the limits fundamental period capital T x of t e to the power minus j k omega naught t dt. This is the formula. Now in this formula, I am going to substitute the value of fundamental period t as well as duration, that is 0 to 1. Hence x of k is equal to, we can write 1 divided by 1 integration over the period 0 to 1. X of t is what? X of t is given, that is sine pi t multiplied by e to the power minus j k omega naught t dt. Okay. So we substituted the given values, given signal. Let us simplify this one. I'm going to exchange these terms because I'm going to use the one standard integration formula. Because of that reason, I'm writing this above equation as integration over the limits 0 to 1 as it is. And first I'm writing e to the power minus j k omega naught t multiplied by sine of pi t dt. So it is nothing but this one we are going to simplify by using the formula. Let us make use integration e to the power ax, integration e to the power ax multiplied by sine of bx plus c. This one we are going to simplify by using the formula is equal to e to the power ax divided by a square plus b square, then inside the bracket a into sine of bx plus c, then minus minus b cos of bx plus c. So we have to use this formula here. Compare this equation and this integration equation. We can say that here the value of a equal to, compare these two things, we can say that x is nothing but t. So apart from x, so whatever term is there, that acts as uh, a. But here already we calculated omega naught, so let us substitute here 0 to 1 e to the power minus j. Omega naught is what? Already we calculated omega naught is 2 pi. Let us substitute here. Hence 2 pi k t sine pi t dt. Okay, fine. Now compare these two things here. uh, a equal to what? A equal to minus j 2 pi k. A equal to minus j 2 pi k. Similarly, the value of b is nothing but what? Sine of bx plus c. So uh, b is nothing but pi, and c, there is no constant term, c is 0. And what about t? X is nothing but t. X is nothing but t. So Let us make use of this formula and simplify this equation. I am going to simplify as x of k is equal to so this one I am going to simplify. So nothing but this one I am going to simplify by using this formula. So that is e to the power x. E to the power x means a is minus j 2 pi k. X is nothing but t divided by a square plus b square. A square is this much minus j 2 pi k square plus b square. B square is pi square inside the bracket. Okay. A is nothing but minus j 2 pi k sine of bx plus c. B is what? Pi. X is nothing but t plus c. C is 0. Okay. This is nothing but minus, as it is minus b. B is what? B is pi, and cos of bx plus c. B is pi, x is t. So limits are what? 1. Limits are 1, 0. So for the simplification, we have to simplify this one as, for the simplification, x of k equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi kt, as it is I will write, and denominator, so that is j square 4 pi square, so k square plus pi square. Okay. Next here inside the bracket term, apply the limits here. First I will make use of upper limit, and here minus j 2 pi k sine pi t. If I substitute t equal to 1, we will get sine pi. Sine pi equal to what? 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, minus pi as it is, cos of pi t equal to 1. So cos of pi we got, upper limit is completed. Then go for lower limit. Minus, substitute the lower limit, t equal to 0. Sine 0 nothing but 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0, minus pi cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. So let us substitute in the next step. So likewise they simplified. In the next step, x of k equal to, before that I am going to simplify this numerator. We know that e to the power minus j 2 pi k, it is term e to the power minus j 2 pi k. This one I am going to simplify as cos of 2 pi k minus j sine of 2 pi k. K may be any integer value. So cos of even multiple of pi results in always 1. Sine of 2 pi is 0. Hence we can write this answer is 1. So this term becomes 1. So let us write x of k equal to 1 divided by denominator as it is j square 4 pi square k square plus pi square. And next I am going to simplify this term, minus pi cos of pi, and next 0 minus into minus plus pi cos of 0. Okay. Next simplification, x of k equal to we can write. So here I will take pi term common, pi square I will take common. If I take pi square common, what left? J square plus 4 k square plus 1. Here the term which is present inside the bracket, that one we have to simplify. Cos of pi we know that is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 5, that results in pi. Cos of 0, we know that that is also 1. So 1 into pi, that is also pi. So for the simplification, x of k equal to 2 pi divided by 2 pi divided by pi square j square 4 k square plus 1. So 1 pi and 1 pi get cancels. We got 2 divided by 1, sorry, pi into j square is what? Minus 1. So minus 4k square plus 1. So we can write x of k equal to 2 divided by pi into 1 minus 4k square. This is the Fourier series. Here there is no imaginary part. There is no imaginary part. So nothing but we are getting only magnitude spectrum. Phase spectrum is 0 because in this in order to plot the phase spectrum there should be imaginary part, but it contains only real part. Because of that reason we can say that first I will plot magnitude spectrum. First I will plot magnitude spectrum. So that is nothing but mod of x of k. Simple thing. Substitute k equal to 0. Keep on calculate the values. First here, if I substitute k equal to 0, what happens? So 2 divided by pi. At 0, what we are getting? At 0, what we are getting? We are getting 2 divided by pi. Fine. Next, if I substitute k equal to 1, 1 minus 4. K square is 1 square. 1 minus 4 nothing but minus 3. Minus 3 means 2 divided by uh, minus 3 pi. But we have to take the mod, correct? Because of that reason, that is we can write 2 divided by 3 pi. Next, go for k equal to 2. K equal to 2 means 2 square. That's 2 square means 4. 4 into 4, 16. 1 minus 16, that is minus 15. Mod we have to take because of that reason it is 2 divided by 15 pi. 2 divided by 15 pi. It goes on. Similarly, for the negative values, same thing we are getting. That is 2 divided by 3 pi and 2 divided by 15 pi goes on. This is what? This is magnitude spectrum. And coming to the phase spectrum, here there is no imaginary term, so hence we can say that the phase value of this one is 0. So likewise we have to calculate Fourier series representation for the given signal.